In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add plugins to FL Studio 24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly utilize any plugins that you download in FL Studio. I'm gonna be referring to FL Studio 24, but this will work for any version like FL Studio 21 as well. So of course, make sure that you have the plugins good to go. You usually will find them in the following formats: VST, AU, CLAP, and the native plugins within FL Studio. If you are going to be installing a plugin, usually you will use the installer, which will ask you for the installation path of FL Studio. If you already know, just choose the particular folder. Usually it's going to be under Program Files and VST Plugins, or somewhere different. And if you still need to check that location, then just follow along. Go over to the options and in here select File Settings. Within File Settings, you will find Manage Plugins. You can also use the option here to directly go over to the plugin window. Within the Plugin Manager, you will see the plugins that you have installed, and if you want to make sure that one is enabled, just give it a gold star. By clicking on the star icon and making it golden, you are going to ensure that it is going to appear when you go into your tracks. Now, if you choose this icon here at the left of this folder, it will take you to the installation path of FL Studio, and consequently where you have to drop your plugins off. So drop any plugins that you have on this particular folder. For this version of FL Studio, it is under C, Program Files, Image Line, and then FL Studio 21. But of course, for you this might differ, especially if you modified the installation path. But any plugins that you have should ideally be dropped off here in this folder. You will see the plugin search paths available, and whenever you add a new plugin, choose the option at the top, Find Installed Plugins. This will reload all of the plugins that are installed, and once you find one that you want to use, like I said before, just click on the star icon to make sure that it is set to favorites and consequently appears on your tracks. I hope I was able to help you on how to add plugins to FL Studio 24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.